Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, delivery drivers missing your place. It's time basically to add the delivery instructions on Amazon in seconds. So in today's small tutorial, as you guessed, we're gonna talk on how to add delivery instructions in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Open the Amazon.com or the Amazon Shopping app on Android or iOS. So now it's time to log in using your email address and password. Then go all the way to your account. So basically tap on account here, then tap on account. Then go all the way to your addresses. Edit, remove or set default address. Tap add delivery instructions. Then enter the details like gate codes or drop-off notes. Then all you're gonna do is save. As for some tips, these instructions apply to future orders sent to that address. So be clear and short so drivers can follow them easily. So if you are living next to basically a famous restaurant or famous, let's say, a coffee shop or whatsoever, make sure you put that note also there. So they would know what's actually is happening. So basically they would know also your location. You can also contact them via their phone numbers or maybe the app itself if they are in their way. So keep it in mind. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.